Hey, good morning, y'all. Sitting here with my boy, and the sun is coming up. It's about 5:45, and try to give y'all some free time on the weekends so we don't have a meditation thing every day. Although that wouldn't be a bad thing. But what I want to do is encourage you guys to make sure that you sit today and try to do your own meditation on your own. And very similar to what we do in our guided sessions, just make sure that you give yourself a little bit of time with each one of the focuses, with listening, feeling the body, and focusing on the breath, and try to give equal time to each one. So, just like we do in our sitting, maybe do your own little kind of priming yourself within each one of those focuses, and then give yourself like 3 to 5 minutes of meditation time for each. So, sometimes when I sit on my own, I'll do like a 5 or 6 minutes per and try to get myself up to 20 or 25 or 30 minutes. And that's not what I'm saying you need to do. What I'm saying is that it's beneficial to do the little priming guided, self-guided piece, and then give yourself, 3, 4, 5 minutes of your own practice time and just really practice, okay? And then we'll do sunrise meditation tomorrow morning, all right? I care about you guys. Later.